Like I'm the old people there.
Remember, I'm a whitey.
I will have to listen to the music. I
No,
never.
it's true though. That's what it seems like. How you beat up somebody over a song? So there must be something more to it.
No man, the song can make them beat her up, Crystal, cause maybe it's gang.
Bella,
Trust me.
something more. Get to it,
No,
Bella.
there's definitely because they don't like her. Not just now they're doing it. Them been a bust the girl ass. The sister and the brothers. I not just this not just happen. Even last year when them hold her down and pull out her hair and she end up had to go bald. That's why she cut off her hair.
They hate her for her ambition. She seems like she got a sense if she knows what she's doing as a young girl.
Let me tell you something. The one problem she have, and everybody know. She have a slight Queen and Amari energy. But I'm she have a slight Queen and Amari energy. We know that she's a nice person. Just like how me have my mad energy, but only know me is a nice person.
She don't hold her mouth. That's all. They don't.
Madame Usnava Udush Nevel Vadulva. May I have a tuzus novu utnoa vezis silva? No. 1 minute, please. I am in Italy.
That sound more like France.